Alright, what is going on, guys? Custom RC Mods here. Today we're back out at the park with the FT22, and if you guys watched my last update video, I actually said this about this plane.
I don't really like this plane that much. So we might just test it, but if this thing completely destroys itself, I won't really care that much, and I'll just build a different plane out of it.
So yeah, you heard it there. I don't really like this plane that much. There's a few things wrong with it. It's a little bit underpowered. My servos are all kind of messed up. You can kind of hear how they grind a little bit. And my motor's just a little bit too small. The battery system is just not a very fun plane to fly. I've maxed out on all the race and tried to make it as agile as possible. And I just don't like the flight characteristics as much as I thought I would. So yeah, we're gonna be bashing this around today. And if it ends up going straight into the dirt, or snow, I guess, I really don't care as much. I'm sorry for the wind noise. If it does pick up, it probably will. Please just bear with me. I'm gonna try to talk loud, but I realized on my FT Aero build or flight video that I took earlier today, it didn't really work out as I planned it to. So yeah, let's just go ahead and do this. We've got our throttle here, just bank and yank. We got our elevator, got our ailerons. We're all good to go. Let's see if she flies. And we're up. There we go. Here she is. Just like the Aero, this thing does not have a problem penetrating with the wind. But I am at full throttle, and I'm just gonna pin the stick and just do some bank and yank basic stuff. It'll be interesting to see if we have any brownouts. This is the same receiver type as the FT Mighty Mini Aero that I flew earlier, and we had 3 brownouts before it crashed. It feels a little tail heavy right now. I think my battery placement might be a little bit off, but either way, I think it's gonna be fine for now. We basically just fly straight into the wind, and then we have to take it back around, but it obviously flies really slowly into the wind and back the other way. It's a little bit faster, but wow, this thing is all over the place. It's taken a little bit of time to get this thing under control. Just doing circles. I have to establish a pattern here, just so I don't lose control of this thing. I can hear the servo grindings from all the way down here, which is kind of alarming, actually. Let's do a high-speed pass, see if that would work. Yeah, it looks cool when it's flying by, that's for sure. And it does sound cool. It's a prop and slot jet. I guess that's what you expect. That's the one thing about wind, is that if you can penetrate through the wind to get upwind, you can do crazy fast passes on the way back. But yeah, getting upwind is where a lot of your time is going to take. Yeah, this thing is a handful for sure. Awesome wind. Awesome. That's full throttle right there, folks. I don't like the way this thing flies at all. It's just all over the place completely. It's kind of wavering in the wind, which I was a little bit alarmed by. But if you guys watch, I actually do have another FT22 video I did a few months ago, actually, that was in 40-mile-per-hour winds as well. And yeah, it's a cold day. It's snowing lightly. We've obviously got a lot of wind here. In my FT Aero video, I had a small jacket, no gloves on. I'm glad I brought my ski jacket and some actual gloves today. So yeah, I'm a little bit warmer. My legs are a little cold, but I guess that's what you expect when you just got going through there. I want to go up and attempt to barrel roll here, but I just got to get a little more comfortable first, I guess. Yeah, we're straight pinning the throttle, completely going full throttle on the motor here. Let's do a downwind. Oh my gosh. Looking straight in the snow, got some in my eye. That was a little not good. All right, barrel roll. Yeah, the rates are not high enough, even though I've got like 30 angles of 30 degrees of deflection each way. And wow, this thing is quite the handful. And obviously it's not an ideal so I guess it's not a fair test, but seriously. Wow. See if we can get a high-speed pass, if I even get upwind. Yeah, this thing is not known for being a really fast airplane, but it does obviously go fast when it's coming back with the wind. Yeah, I was planning to fly my FT Scout that I just repaired after this, but I don't know, I might not be able to fly it because this wind is seriously going to be a lot for the FT Scout, if you know what I'm saying. We'll see. They do run the same motor, but this is just in general a faster airplane. Yeah, this is we're losing a little bit down right now. Okay, let's go ahead. Wow, this weather is crazy. I'm trying to shield the GoPro from the wind here. But this weather, oh my gosh, it's snowing like crazy. The wind has picked up, and yeah, well, I guess we're not gonna be able to fly the FD Scout today because, dang. Hopefully you can hear my audio right now. That's not top priority, but we're coming across this plane right here. It looks like we got blown over upside down. Everything's intact. We did not break anything in this bash session, and I'm not gonna just scrap this plane until we break it. But other than that, that's all I have for the video. Let's go ahead and take it to the outro.